Yeah, hi, good afternoon. So, coming to the Nifty today, Nifty it's all-time high. So it's trading at all-time high. So meanwhile, today coming to our trades, and we just took trade in Petronet. Petronet's a stock, and here we took the trade. So you can see the OFSS Oracle and Celltech, Balram, and PVR, Inox, and TV, and Petronet. These are the stocks. It gets trending in the morning, opening gap and gap downs. So here you can see that here it's an residence in day chat daily time frame. So after it breakout, I took the trade and I placed the stop loss below this candle. It's nearby around 322. So it haven't sustained above the resistance, so stop loss got hit, and the loss in this stock it is around some it's around some 900. So if we see in the points, the quantity I executed is 300, and the points it's around some 3 points. So later I took the trade in Nifty futures. So coming to Nifty futures here, if you see the Nifty futures, so here in the futures I took the trade around the timestamp of 9:57. So if you look after 9:57 timestamp Nifty chart, here you can see 9:57 I took the trade. So meanwhile, what happened in the morning? I should take the trade here itself in the 1 minute time frame. It's showing the bullish, a good bullish trend as it's the opening above the CPR. The dots are these three dots are CPR central pivot range, and this is R1, and below this CPR those are S1 and S2. So here is just open the market and it came down to the CPR and it started the CPR, and later it taking support somewhere else here itself, and it's went upside. So I had to trade here in the retest, but I haven't took the trade. Meanwhile, observing the Petronet, the stock which I have shown previously. So later on, what happened? Once it got bounced back, then I'm trying to place the order at a three. I'm trying to place the order, but it's haven't came to my price, and it's just coming down. It's went up around, as per my view, it's bullish. So here itself, somewhere else, I took the trade in Nifty, Nifty, this thing, Nifty future. So later on, what happened? The stop loss I placed to cost. So stop loss got hit here itself in the Nifty future. So I executed firstly 50 quantity, and later I executed 50 quantity, and stop loss I placed around 412 and it got hit, and it's around the cost to cost. You can see the position, how much we lost in the 50. It's around 200. It's just a profit. So we can think it's a cost. So later I took the trade in call side, expecting the market will be bullish. So meanwhile, what happened here itself, we can see in the chat. So this is the trend line which is passing here. So I took the trades here itself, and it went little bit high, but there is no move in the premium. We can see the index, sorry, VIX, it's falling down continuously and it's getting volatile. VIX is not stabilizing even after the elections and those all results. So meanwhile, I'm just trying to check whether VIX will be stable by this weekend, or it will take much more time. So here, and the after breakout of the trend line, the stop loss got hit twice. So today is bit tricky day, and you can see a buy sell orders here itself. So till here it's tricky, and in between I took the put side trade, as I mentioned in our group channel. Like it's around some after 5 minutes. If you can see in the 5 minutes, this is the support here itself. 23,400 was the support. So if it breaks here, if it breaks the support, then it could be the good move. So what happened? It took the support at R1. In this retest, I added the trade. You can see the timeline. Let me show the timeline. Put around 11:40, and if you go to 1 minute chat, 11:40, somewhere here in this retest, I added the uh, put set. I took the put set trade. It's in retest, so it should come down like this, but it haven't came, and it bounced back, and my stop loss got hit, and the stop loss in this put set, it's not much. 23,550 we can see here itself. 23,550 put. I just captured it again now, so I re-executed the order in this, and there are some 3k profit in the strike, and the same strike I have executed. So it's showing some 35 points, 31 points as a profit. So what happened after the trend line breakout? It went up, but I haven't given good profit. Here I took again a call trade, and there are tricky. I told it's too tricky. Then later what I did, I'm just placed some levels here itself, and you can see this is the trigger. Once if it's got broken, I will get the alarm. So I just placed the same trigger here itself, and it got broken, and it got broken here. I placed the placed the trigger itself, but it's haven't broken. So later, what happened? Nifty came down. Here is the, if we remove this trend line, it's an trend line which we took call side entries. So it is an ascending triangle. The pattern which here it's formed is an ascending triangle. Once it breaks, then minimum the move should be the nearest swing. So here I booked the target, and we captured around around uh, we captured around 186, some 44 points here itself. So I just booked the 44 points, and we just closed with some green, little bit green. So the charges will be more coming to this. If we compare with Zerodha and further accounts, the charges will be less in the this first half. Thank you. Let's see the market analysis for currently. It's taking support here itself, and the 300 was a major support. If we see the 300 would be the major support, and in between this in between this 300 to 400, it's an range bound market. You can see it's an range bound market. There will be some moves like this, the one, and there will be some volatility. You can see the good fall, and it will go back in the same candle, and it will come down in the same candle. Something quite tricky in between this channel here to here. So play carefully. Don't go with much heavy quantity. Then we'll catch up later. For later analysis, if it's taking support here, if it breaks, then there should be some correction. And today we have Bank Nifty expiry also. There might be some volatility move. Let's see. If it bounce back, it should break 23,400. After breaking 23,400, these are the sideways zone. So after breaking this, it should go up. Okay, you can see the sectors. IT is green, 1.5 in the opening, but it's went down. IT is completely, it's just falling. So it's not giving support for the Nifty. And here there are some other sectors. So the points which I have placed here itself, it's an CPR. You can go to indicators, and you can see CD pivot R and CD filter. It's a trading view platform. So this is the CPR, and this is the range, R1 R2. These are the R1 R2, and this is the S1 S2, and this is the weekly supports. We can draw it manually, and there is a formula for this. You can Google it, and later on let's see what happens going on. In the European markets, it's open in green, and only the one as only opening a bit negative. It can be turned into positive. Okay, uh, and we have made around a flat profit of 17. And let's see here, the last trade I took by placing the stop loss near this candle. So these are the EMS, EMA 9 and 15. So within 2 3 candles, it got hit the target, and later it got consolidating here itself. So maybe if Bank Nifty supports, Nifty can fall down. But the HDFC, since the morning, it's went one way up and it's coming down. It's an correction, we can say. Then later it can bounce back from here. And you can see the 200 moving average. It's an support and resistance in these banks. Okay. Thank you.